Guys, in the first video hasn't shown the Dermaroller. This is the Dermaroller I bought. The So True Dermaroller from Amazon. I hasn't show you. This is the Dermaroller. So this is a short video, I think 0.5 mm. How to use this Dermaroller? Use it like 2 to 3 times in a week. Use it like this, like vertically and horizontally, just 2 to 3 times. Overall, that's it. Then put and wash it away. Wash it before and after. Even use like cleaners before that. So this is a Dermaroller. I put the link here and also previously too. Please don't comment me which minoxidil you use. Watch my video, guys. I don't even give you reply. I will provide overall information to you which minoxidil I am using. Everything detailedly from this video on now onwards, because I doesn't have time. See, I'm studying a lot. See, I'm studying CA and I'm also working for my dream Olympics. So for that, I doesn't have time. I have to utilize my 24-hour days optimally. So I do mostly all the notifications for Instagram, Facebook, and all these things I use it to block, and also keep my phone always silent. So for that I don't even see most of the comments. So that's it, guys. See you in my next video.